December 21st, status update on Delta. That's the member door to the building. Then you come in here and they swipe their key and there's our door. Right in here we have the trainer's office, the general manager's office, retail wall and area. Members changing area over here, cubbies, furniture, relaxing area. On the other side the rubber floor is going down and looking fantastic. Over here is the Group X multi-function room. The windows aren't in yet. We've got some ceiling up. We have lights, restrooms, tanning room, tour, multi-function room. Flooring's not down yet, but it will be over the weekend. That's what it looks like right now. Fantastic.